Hey there, are you feeling anxious about the idea of moving into a new home? It's completely normal to feel this way. After all, it's a big change. But don't worry, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm here to make the process easier and even exciting for you. One of the best ways to ease the transition is to focus on creating a sense of familiarity in your new space. Bring along items that mean the most to you, family photos, favorite furniture pieces, or even the smell of a candle you love. These small touches can make a big difference in helping you adjust to your new home and make it feel like home. Another tip is to set up a few key areas right away. Start with the bedroom, the kitchen, or your favorite cozy spot. Having these spaces ready to use immediately will give you a sense of comfort and stability as you adjust. Next, take some time to explore your new neighborhood. Find a favorite coffee shop, take a walk in a nearby park, or introduce yourself to some neighbors. Familiarity with your new surroundings can help you feel more at home. It's also important to give yourself grace. Big changes take time, and it's okay to feel a mix of emotions. Celebrate the milestones. It's unpacking your first box, hanging your first picture. Each step brings you closer to feeling settled. Most importantly, remember that this is a fresh start, a chance to design a home and lifestyle that truly suits you. Whether it's more simplicity, more comfort, or more time for the things you love, this move is an opportunity to embrace the life you've been envisioning. So if you're looking for someone to guide you through this journey and help make your new house feel like home, I'd love to help. Let's work together and make this transition smooth, exciting, and full of possibilities. You can call me at 763-257-7231 or email julie@vikingshomes.com. Reach out anytime. I'm here to support you every step of the way.